We have with us Meena Guli, who is doing a marathon for 100 days over the water crisis in all over the world. We'll be talking to her. First of all, ma'am, would like to know what's the basic purpose of your marathon you are trying?
The purpose of the marathon is to inspire people to save water. That means first we need to show people we have a water crisis. So I am running in places where there is a huge water problem. The second is we need to understand that we are also part of the problem, so we can become part of the solution. And then I want to inspire every single one of us to know that we can also make a difference on this planet. I am not anybody special. I am not a runner. I don't like running very much, but here I am running around the world, one marathon every day for 100 days to raise awareness about this problem. And I think that if I can do this, then any one of us is capable of doing anything, and that includes changing how we think about water.
I would like to know when this idea struck your mind that you wanted to do something like this.
I grew up in Australia. We don't have very much water, and I took it for granted that water was a problem until I understood actually water scarcity is a problem facing the whole world. And then I could not understand why water was not on the front page of the newspaper. Why is water not famous? We need saving water to become famous. And I decided, if not me, then who? If not now, then when? And so I decided to stand up and do something about it. That was in 2012. And the idea to start running came about 2015 when one of my friends said, if you really want to understand the problem, you need to go with your feet and your eyes and your heart, and you need to understand from the local people not only the problem but also the solution. And that's why I'm here in India, because I want to understand from the local communities the problem but also how we can fix it.
And how much you have observed the problem we Indians are facing, particularly in water crisis?
Yeah, when I read about India before I came, I was horrified at how big the water problem here is. I read about the tankers coming into the homes. I read about the groundwater pollution and problems with the rivers. But actually to be here and to see the scale of the problem makes it so much worse, because it is solvable. There are things that we can do to fix it. So Veena at the India Water Partnership is working very hard to rehabilitate rivers and fix groundwater problems. And I think that all of us as citizens need to not rely just on people like me or Veena, but we all need to do our part. And that can be doing things like, please don't throw the plastic on the street or into the river, because it creates pollution, and the rivers are very precious. It can be, please try to use only recycled water bottles or water bottles that are big, and when you use it, put it to recycle, don't just throw out. So I think that for me, these are the things that I'm really learning from being here in India. But you know, the thing that I learned the most is actually the spirit of the people of India is so big and so strong. I think even if you have a water crisis now, you can join together and you can solve it for the future.
You are doing a great job, and all the best for this beautiful initiative. Thank you so much. Thank you.